Hey guys, it's Dave with Tave, and today we're going to be going over job roles. And so we're going to start on our settings page, and we're going to head over to job roles right here. And you'll see some of the ones that I already have set up. And some of these will already be built out based on the template that you installed when you built out your studio. But we'll click Create New, and we're going to make some new ones here today. So the important thing to know is when you create a job role, these are going to be your people that appear everywhere. So this is going to be the people that appear in your dress book, vendors you interact with, as well as anyone on your team. So you might have photographer, second photographer, assistant, you might have bakery, wedding dress designer, cake designer, pretty much whatever you'd like. And anytime that I'm bringing a person to store inside of Tave, I'm going to make sure that they have a job role attached to them. So for example, I do a lot of commercial work, and with that I have to send invoices over to the finance department. So we're going to create a job role for finance. So I'll type in finance, and you'll notice it'll auto create a token for it as well. You can make this different if you want to. Just keep in mind you have to track this down if you're trying to track down that person's email address or first name or something to use their token in an email. Another important thing is that this is where I can set the kind of this job role. So I can differentiate between team, subject, customer, and vendor. And the nice thing about this is if you have a customer who is going to be your main client, but they're not the person you'll be photographing, it's very easy to distinguish between those people and a subject or vendors on a job. So for example, all the DJs, the event coordinator, everyone that I work with on a wedding day gets labeled as a vendor on their job role. And the nice thing is, and then in an automation, I can create an email that will send to all of the vendors on that job a few days after the wedding. So you can customize this however you'd like. After this, we'll click Save and Continue, and you'll notice that job roles will start to stack up pretty quick, and you'll start to have a bunch of different ways that you can classify people and kind of keep them set. So I'll have DJs, I'll have who the album manufacturing company is, I'll have my engagement session assistants, as well as different family members and people related to my couples. And if you guys have any questions on this, as always, come up to the top right here, click Help, and message us, and we'll get you all squared away. Talk to you soon.